Welcome class to our Logic Designs YouTube channel. Our today's topic is shortcut keys in SolidWorks part 2. In this part 2, we will discuss some remaining shortcut keys in SolidWorks like some function keys, magnified selections, view selectors as it is. So, I hope you enjoying the last episode of shortcut keys in SolidWorks part 1. So, let's get started our today's topic. Now, our first shortcut key from our today's video tutorial is shortcut bar. For that, we need to press yes button from our keyboard. You can see here shortcut bar is now displayed. Now here features options are present in shortcut bar like extrude boss, fillet, reference geometry, and hole wizard. This shortcut bar is like fastest way to opt SolidWorks features in your drawing. You can use this shortcut bar in your drawing or simplifies your work from complex to simple. Okay? Please remember, yes button from your keyboard is a shortcut key for shortcut bar. You can also customize the shortcut bar from customize menu. We will discuss later on how customize menu is work. Next shortcut key is magnified selection. For that, we need to press G button from our keyboard. You can see here magnified selection option is now displayed. This option is used in complex designs. The magnified selection option is like zoom option. You can magnify a particular area from your SolidWorks drawing or part. Now, please remember the G button from your keyboard is a shortcut key for magnified selection. Our next shortcut key is view selector. For that, we need to press or hold Ctrl plus space bar. Now you can see here the view selector options is now displayed, or you can select view that you want in your drawing. So our next shortcut key is scroll to feature manager tree top or scroll to feature manager tree bottom. For that, we need to press home button for top and we need to press end button from bottom. Now you can see here in a feature manager tree, now part is selected because home button is now pressed. Now our last command cut extrude is now displayed in tree because end button is now pressed. Now our next shortcut key is search commands. For that, we need to press W button from our keyboard. Whenever you press W button, the search window is now off, or you can put there any commands for search. You can see here I am putting line. Now you can see here all line related commands are displayed. Now next is search files and models. For that, we need to press I button from our keyboard. Whenever we press I button from our keyboard, you can see here in search option the icon is now changed from commands to files and models. Now you can see here I am putting part. Now you can see here the search window only showing files and models. Now please remember, for search commands we need to press W button from our keyboard, and for search files and models, for that we need to press I button from our keyboard. That's it class. This is part 2 of SolidWorks shortcut keys. Now we will discuss all function keys in SolidWorks shortcut keys part 3. So I hope now you can understand how view selector, magnified selection, scroll features manager tree, top and bottom, and search commands, and final search files and models all are with their shortcut keys. I hope This video tutorial, it helps in your drawing to simplify your work. So stay tuned for part 3. If you like our today's video tutorial, then like, share and subscribe our Logic Designs YouTube channel for latest updated videos in SolidWorks as well as AutoCAD, plus tips and tricks in SolidWorks as well as AutoCAD. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.